most of the time, organizations don't execute because a lot of the things that we talk about in the book. And in the book, we identify these 7 gears that we've experienced over time that keep organizations from really being able to execute well. We break it up into a couple categories. One is the first category are the foundation or the environment gears. There are 3 of those. Those are right, having the right people in the right roles with the right capabilities. The second of those environment gears is aligning the organizational architecture. So we talk about the systems, the structures, the processes, and the culture, and making sure that that's aligned to your strategy. And then the third is around creating a culture of communications. So being able to communicate up, down, sideways, diagonally, hold the difficult, tough, high conflict conversations. And some of that starts with building that culture and having a culture of trust so that when we are holding tough conversations, we know that it's because we care about each other and we're trying to do the right thing. And then we've also identified these 4 performance gears, which really they're designed to align the performance of every person in the organization to the strategy of the organization. So they're relatively simple concepts, but we don't necessarily execute on them all well all the time. So the 4th gear is making sure everybody has result-oriented goals that align to what the organization wants to accomplish. Then the next gear is around having visible scorecards so people can see how they're performing relative to those goals. The next gear is identifying the critical performance drivers, which is kind of big, fancy language, but what it really means is identifying those critical behaviors or tasks that people need to do to be able to hit their goals. And then the last gear is the glue that holds everything together. We call it follow up, follow through. And in that gear, we talk about, first of all, generating learning. If we're not on track with what we're trying to do, why are we not on track? But then also creating accountability for both performance, for generating results, and for playing well within the organization's value set. And so organizations come up short because something may be broken in any one or more of those 7 gears.